In this video, you're going to learn about combustion reactions. Combustion is basically a way of saying something is burning. So in this one, a compound, something that contains carbon, hydrogen, and sometimes oxygen. Notice it's not always oxygen, but we always have carbon and hydrogen. It combines with oxygen gas, remember that's O2, to produce carbon dioxide, or CO2, and water, H2O. So in this first example down here, we have something that contains carbon and hydrogen. Notice it doesn't contain oxygen right there. That said it was only sometimes. And it's combining with our oxygen gas, that O2, and we are getting carbon dioxide and water out of it. In our next example, we have the same thing. We just have a different number of carbon and a different number of hydrogen, but it's still combining with oxygen gas, and we still end up with carbon dioxide and water. Notice that third example, we still have our carbon and hydrogen, but this time we also have an atom of oxygen right here, and it's combining with oxygen gas, and we get the same final product, that's CO2 plus H2O. So generally, if you remember the product side of it, you'll feel pretty confident in identifying a combustion reaction. Here's a formula at the bottom to just sort of help you keep it straight. So some amount of carbon, represented by X, we don't know how much there is. Hydrogen, again, represented by a different variable since we don't know the amount. And then sometimes oxygen. So notice this oxygen is written in parentheses with that variable Z because we don't know how much of it. It's going to combine with oxygen gas, which is O2, and we get carbon dioxide and water.